Our company's name is BlueHavens Estates Private Limited. It is a private limited company. So the documents that we require for completing the incorporation process so that a private company can be started is, the first document is name filing approval application form. It is done through the Spice Plus Part A form on the MCA portal. This form is used to reserve a unique and legally compliant company name before incorporation. It requires submission of the proposed name, business activity and supporting documents. The application is reviewed by the Central Registration Center and once approved, the name is reserved for 20 days. This is how the form looks. The next document that we require is an identity proof. It can be Aadhaar card, PAN card or anything. In our video, we have shown the Aadhaar card of the proposed directors.
The third document is bank statement. A bank statement shows the bank transactions of different members holding accounts in the organization. It provides the record of deposit, withdrawals and transfers made by each member. The statement helps in tracking individual financial activities and maintaining transparent records. It is often used for verification, accounting and auditing process. So these are some samples of bank statement.
A digital signature certificate is an electronic form of certificate used to verify the identity of a person in online transactions. It ensures the authenticity, integrity and security of documents filed on government portals. DSC is mandatory for company incorporation, MCA filings, GST registration and other e-governance services. It is issued by certifying authorities and contains the holder's name, public key and validity period. A valid DSC helps in paperless approval and speeds up the entire compliance process. These are some of the digital signature certificate samples. Memorandum of Association. The Memorandum of Association defines the scope of operations, objectives and powers of the company. It contains essential clauses such as the name clause, registered office clause, objects clause, liability clause, capital clause and association clause. The objects clause specifies the main business activities and objectives of the company. MOA restricts the company from engaging in activities beyond its stated objectives. The MOA must be signed by all initial subscribers who agree to take up the shares mentioned in the document. It is submitted to the registrar of the companies during the company incorporation process.
Articles of Association. The Articles of Association define the regulation for the company's internal management and administration. It outlines procedures relating to shares, meetings, voting, directors and company operations. It specifies the rights, duties and powers of directors and members. AOA governs how the company will issue and transfer shares. It includes rules for the conducting board meetings and general meetings. The final document is Certificate of Incorporation. The Certificate of Incorporation is a legal document that is issued by the ROC upon the successful registration of the company. It marks the birth of the company and gives it a separate legal entity. The certificate contains important details such as the company's name, CIN, date of incorporation and registration office. After receiving the Certificate of Incorporation, the company can commence business activities as a legally recognized entity. It serves a conclusive evidence that all incorporation procedures under the Companies Act have been duly completed. Thank you.